So let's begin actually going all the way back to the 2nd century BC. Here we have a coin from the Seleucid Kingdom, one of the successor states that emerged after the sudden death of Alexander the Great. Wonderful coin, no? This piece beautifully illustrates the way dies were made since the beginning of coinage. At this time, the dies used to strike these coins, they were hand-carved. It all started with a metal cylinder, generally made out of bronze. This bronze was soft enough that die engravers could carve out the designs on this cylinder, generally using iron tools like chisels. Every little detail you see on this coin was slowly and meticulously carved by an artist at the flat face of that bronze cylinder. After they were done with the image, the cylinder received some sort of heat treatment to harden it, and off it went to the mint, where it would be used to mint maybe up to 10,000 coins before it became so worn that a new one had to be made. And when I mean that every single part of that die was handmade, I mean it. If we look at the reverse, with this lovely image of the goddess Athena holding her shield, spear, and a little Nike, all within an olive wreath, notice there are quite a few inscriptions here. That's the message the Seleucid king wanted to pass to whoever held this coin. It reads, Basileus Antiocho Euergeto, of King Antiochus the Benefactor. If we make a little diagram with a zoomed-in image of the coin, we can do some reverse engineering to see how the engraver made all of those words and how he made them fit neatly in this design. So after sculpting Athena and the wreath, which served as an external limit to the design, he started making the legends by marking a series of dots on the fields, which ensured an even spacing between the letters. Imagine how frustrating it would have been to have all of the work to engrave that piece of art and then throw it all away because the letters, the proclamation of the king, it was something important, because it looked bad. So first, he added the dots to define the spacing of the letters. Then, once he made sure that it would all fit, he connected the dots, making the letters. Quite an ingenious way on the part of the artist,